Hello everyone, welcome to Fiddly Stitch tutorials. This is just a quick tutorial about how to change a paper size for your printer so you can actually print. I use this EcoTank 2720. So I've seen a lot of questions out there about how to get the paper size to change so that you can print on 8.5 by 14 instead of 8.5 by 11. So this is just a quick tutorial for that. First, you'll have to go down to your printer and change the printer. You'll go down to the little settings. Yeah, down there on the little keypad. Anyways, you'll have to change that. Go to it'll be the paper setup, and the size that you're going to choose is legal. And then you'll have to come back here. Now, when you have Silhouette open, it won't. Let me see, hold on. Let me close all this out, sorry. Okay, let me close that out, because if you have that open while you're trying to change the settings, it won't actually change. Actually, maybe I should leave that open so you could see it. Okay, so this is the cut setting right here. What it's not the cut, it's the print setting. This little gray line here, that's your printer box. That's what your paper is set up for. If you go in here and manually try to say that there's no cutting mat and that you want it to print a custom print 8 by 14, we'll say, you can see here's my paper at 8 by 14. That's the edge of it, and here's the actual print line. So it hasn't changed. And I just wanted to show you the example that even if you set it up in here, it's not going to happen. And so I'll leave that open so you can see that you have to change it. We'll put something in there. Let's put something in there so you can see that it doesn't change the size. You have to shut it down and reboot it, or it will not change the size. We'll go with, we'll just go to this one. Okay, so you can clearly see he passes the line. And then we'll go out here and change the settings. Now I've already changed it on my printer, so and we need to change it on the computer to tell the printer that that's the right setting. So you would go to settings, a little window icon, then select the settings, select devices, go to printers and scanners, select your Sublimation printer, whatever the name of it is, and then open up manage and then printer preferences, and then more options. You can see this is the document size 8.5 by 11. That's what it wants to print. But if you just change it here, say you just went 8.5 by 14, it's not right. This is not reading the exact same. So this number and this number should be the exact same. So to get there, you're going to go up here to more options, and it tells you the document size that you're using is 8.5 by 14, but the output paper that you're using trying to print on is still 8.5 by 11. So you have to change this one as well. 8.5 by 14. Select OK. Close this out. Now see, the box still has where it's still not there. It's still wanting to print 8.5 by 11, even though this has changed, the printer has changed, the software is the setup has changed. So what we have to do is shut this off. Okay, we're going to shut that down. Oops, it wants to save it again. Cancel. Oops. No. Okay, so now if we open that same image up, oops, not the image, pin down. open. Now you can see the gray box. Oops. The gray box is actually all the way around it. So this is the right page setup. Now it's actually changed back to this 8.5 by 14, which is what I was trying to get to. So I hope that helps y'all, and be sure to like, subscribe, keep coming back because we keep posting stuff. So anyways, I hope you have a great day, and thanks again for checking it out.